In Uganda, the military has been deployed on the streets of the capital, Kampala, to deter planned anti-corruption protests there. Soldiers and police are reported to have blocked all the roads leading to Parliament. Young Ugandans accuse the government of rampant corruption and human rights abuses. Police have banned all protests in the capital. Well, on the eve of these planned anti-government protests, Ugandan opposition leader Bobi Wine posted online, saying that police had surrounded the headquarters of the National Unity Platform Party in Kampala, the opposition, blocking off roads and arresting its party members. He says the government fears the will of the people, and once their fear of the government fades, quote, they will lose their power over us. Well, Uganda's president, Yoweri Museveni, warned in a televised address on Saturday that protests will not be tolerated.
What right then do you have to seek to generate chaotic behavior? What right do you have? We are busy producing wealth. You are getting cheap food. Other people in the other parts of the world are starving. They are crying for hunger. And you here, you want to disturb us. You are playing with fire.
Well, let's bring in Andrew Mwenda. He's the managing director of The Independent, a news magazine based out of Uganda. He joins us now from Kampala. Andrew, when you hear that rhetoric from Museveni, warning protesters they're playing with fire, I know there's been no permits issued for these protests. How concerned are you about the government response today, especially given the deployment we've already seen on the streets?
I actually think that is more of the same. It is what I would have expected of President Museveni. I think that given the current protests in Kenya, he's very careful that if he allows such a protest to take place, it may lead to a wrong place. So it is better to prevent it from ever happening than to allow it to happen and have to bear the consequences.